Good afternoon team, Santosh Shetty here from Shetty Forex. This is our second video on Beast Scanner dashboard. Basically this scanner is for 10 to 15 pips TP. You can use it on any time frame like from M15, M30, H1, daily, anything as per your wish you can use this one. But I usually prefer M15 for smaller TP like 5, 10, 15 as per the condition. I take it and I close the trade. I use along with SNR like support and resistance, and I have some specific rules while taking a or while entering into a trade. Let's move to the chart. See, this is our Beast Scanner dashboard. On left hand side you will see all pairs are there. USD, CHF, GBP, USD, all 28 pairs are there. Alert is there. So whenever the beast will give a signal or arrow, it will pop up over here. Even the last time alert is there. So whenever you will get a signal and how much time has been happened for that arrow has appeared. So even you will come to know that also. So very easy page we have tried to create, so easily any person can understand. And one more additional benefit is there. Suppose on Euro USD you have got an arrow, so you have to just click it over here. So you have to move it over here and you can enter into a trade. Okay, very simple, and in a basic manner we have tried to develop this one. See here. Now this is USD CHF M15. Now arrow has come. So basic rule is that when arrow appears, so actually after closing of this arrow, this candle, okay, this candle arrow appears. So we will not enter into that. Okay, we will wait for the arrow to close, sorry, candle to close, because sometimes what happens, it comes back or it comes like a pullback. So we will wait for that. Once it will be closed, so we will enter over here. See here, it is 37 pips, it is like 44 pips. Even same this condition is here. See here, when it has given a signal, it was a sale signal, but it has come up like it is going a buy. This candle, specific one candle is going buy. We will wait here. So once it will close, we will enter it. See here, 19 pips. Okay, so easily you will get your own daily target, whatever you have kept daily target for this one. So easily you can get, and in a day more than 15, as per my experience, more than 15 signal you will get in a day. So easily if you collect 5 pip also, so assuming 10, so 50 pips, so easily you can make $50 in a day. Okay, so let's move to other. See, GBP USD. See here, the arrow has come, we will wait. So it has given a pullback and support. The reason why I am using support and resistance is that it helps me to understand the trend. And when the support and resistance, you see, it has gone up, it has hit on the resistance and again it came down. So 26 pips, you're getting my point. 26, again the support is there, so you will close it over here. Okay. Euro USD, see here, say pullback, it has given a pullback, so we will not enter into trade. Once it will go inside the support or resistance area, so we will enter it. See here, I will explain you. See here, 20 pips. Even it has not closed, it has not broken the resistance. So if you will enter here also, here 15 pips. See here, 81 pips. Any time frame you can use it. See, any time frame. See here, support was there. See, as I was explaining, see here, it has given a buy signal, but one candle has come to like it is coming down, so we will not enter here. The next candle after closing of that candle, we will enter. See here, 31 pips. So, See here, the good example you will come to know here. See, it is a sale signal, but after what I said, we will wait for next candle. So it is going buy. So we will not enter. Okay, see here, it's a pullback of 18 pips. So once it hits resistance it comes in this area, we know that the arrow is for sale. So anyhow it is going to go for a sale. So from here 39 pips, and any time frame you can use it. See here H1. See, this is M15. See how beautifully it is going. Even you can change time frame also. Any time frame is as per your choice. You can keep the time frame. Okay, I will show you. See here, this one also H1. See here H1. See here. See here. See here. I will show you the input of this one. M15, you have to keep it M15, or as per your choice you can keep it 1 minute, 5 minute, daily, anything you can keep it, but I prefer M15 for for smaller pip. And my strategy is to get 5-10 pip. So whenever I get a signal, I keep my stop loss here. Getting my point? Or here below the arrow, or below the resistance, or above the resistance, sorry, here. Automatically you will get a good result over here. Okay, so this is one of the good indicator, and easily you don't have to scan all the pairs. Automatically a single chart will scan all the pairs for you. Whenever the signal comes on any pair, it will pop up and it will give you a signal over here. Just click the pair on the chart, so automatically that pair will be opened. Otherwise you can do one thing, as I prefer to do. See this one, I have put this symbol indicator, arrow has come. See here, yesterday I have taken the GBP New Zealand signal. For after arrow it has gone down, but I didn't close my trade because support was there. My stop loss was here. Sometimes you have to keep your big stop loss. See here, 141 pip. I usually keep 20 pip stop loss and 10-15 pip my TP, or depends on a certain criteria whether it's stop loss or support or resistance is there or not. So this is one of the best indicator you will get. Single chart you can use it. The price for this is $108. If you go to other, they are charging $69 for per month. Like rent they are charging $69 for per month, but we will give for lifetime for $108. 2 MT4 account you have to share. So as per that we will lock it and we will give it to you. Okay, wish you a happy new year and take care. Bye.